so today we're going to be working on our push-ups from the knees. Now, similar to a push-up, the push-up from the knees just takes a little weight off so that we can work on our form a little better as we develop chest, shoulder, and arm strength. So we're going to start out, I would recommend finding a mat or something soft to rest your knees on. And then we're going to go push-up position, hands on the floor. Now, while we're in push-up position, we're going to try to keep our upper body in one straight line, straightening the hips out and engaging in the core. So one of the most common problems that people have with push-ups from the knees is they're going to push their hips out, and you're going to realize that if you're coming down this way, you're not going to have much space to move through. Our range of motion is going to be seriously compromised if the hips are not straight. So straight hips versus not so straight hips. As far as feet placement goes, you can place your feet wherever they're comfortable, whether it's straight out or crossed. So, when we're ready, we're going to drop down, lowering our chest to the floor, bending at the elbows, and driving forward. When we reach the floor position, we should be landing at a position where our hands are about lined up, palms about lined up with our lower mid-level chest. Elbows are going to end up about 45 degrees away from the body. Avoid having your elbows up too high. If you feel like your elbows are up here when you're reaching the floor, then they're definitely up way too high. So a couple more reps here. And last thing, while we're doing these push-ups, make sure we get as much of an explosive power as we can, pushing up from the chest muscles. And that is our push-up from the knees.